Right, okay, so this is a bit of a follow-up to a video that we did earlier on in the year to pick it on. As you can see, the tomatoes now, they're really taken off. We could have done with a little bit more care and attention on them. If you've ever grown tomatoes, you need to be on them all the time. Having said that, we've still got an abundance of tomatoes ready. Tumbling Tom Yellow, they're all ready. We've got lots on the plant and they're just starting to turn red now. We're carrying round about between 16 and 20 varieties of tomatoes. We've got 4 varieties of sweet peppers and round about 10 of the chili peppers. The basket of fire, that's just about ready to harvest, just starting to ripen off. We've got jalapeños, we've got the patches in the corner. They're just about all ready just to start harvesting away. Again, even if you're not coming to pick the fruit, it's definitely worth coming and having a look because it is like a jungle in here. And if you do grow tomatoes, please don't judge us too harshly because we are missing 1 or 2 of the side shoots. But we have been very busy. This is not the only thing we have to do in the nursery, unfortunately. But we will get better and we will get more on the ball as we go. So again, it's just worth just a little pop down in the nursery. You can have a little look and see what we've got. Like I said, the sweet peppers, they're ready to harvest and they are really, really nice. It's a lot better than what you get in the supermarket because they've actually got flavour to them. So again, we're up Monday to Saturday, 10 while 4. Pop your send down, see what we've got on offer. Look up.